In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own map here in Brawl Stars. Before we dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But once you get into Brawl Stars, you're first going to want to go ahead and tap on the three lines up at the top right corner of the screen. It's going to pull up a bunch of different options like this, and as you can see, grayed out for me is going to be this map maker icon. Now, as you can see on my alt account, I don't have over 1,000 trophies yet, but you're going to need to have at least 1,000 trophies to use the map maker. From here, it's going to go ahead and give you an option to create new, to create your map, and you can name this whatever you would like. And you can also customize it by choosing your game mode like gem grab, solo showdown, bounty, heist, knockout, hot zone, brawl ball, and so much more. Brawl ball is obviously the best, so make sure you choose that, but obviously you could choose whatever you would like. And from there, you just simply need to go ahead and hit create, and it's going to enter you into a creator's view. Here you can build your map, you can move spawn points, remove goals, arrange the layout however you like, it doesn't really matter. I recommend turning on the grid to help you align everything perfectly though. And there's also a cool section in here that'll allow you to open up a modifiers menu where you can toggle special effects to spice up your map. Up at the top, you'll also see a bunch of placement mode options. There's going to be single places, which is going to place items exactly where you tap. There's mirror horizontal, which is going to mirror them left to right. There's mirror vertical, which mirrors top to bottom. There's mirror diagonal, which mirrors diagonally. And there's mirror all, which mirrors across all four sides, creating symmetrical designs easily. You can use these to create really cool balanced maps. But yeah, I hope this guide did help you out. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great day. Peace.